I want to select that. I'm going to give that the Naples green. Let's close that out now. And let's zoom out. Fit slide. So I have a little color to my text here. Now I'm going to add my own image. There are several ways you can add an image to Keynote. So I'm just going to show you 2 ways. In the lower right-hand corner of the placeholder, you have an icon. If I click on that icon, what it does, it takes me actually to the Photos app and takes me inside the Photos app. I don't really use the Photos app for anything except shared photos in iCloud. So I'm going to open up my shared photo and I'm going to select, what do I have here? Kauai. So if I want to bring in an image that I have stored somewhere in Photos, I just click on that photo. But I can also bring in images from my computer. That's where most of my images are stored. So if I go over to the right-hand side to the inspector and click on the Image tab, it brings up a Replace button. Oh, and if I click on Replace, I can then go to my computer and then select the image that I want to bring in. Now, this image at the top right and the lower bottom center, the image is a little clipped. So I want to make sure that I see the entire image. So I'm going to double click. And what that does, it brings up what's called the masking bounding box. And I'm going to increase the size of the top and increase the size of the bottom and then choose Done. So now my entire image is showing up. And let's lower that a little bit. All right, with me so far? All right, so one thing as you're working, don't forget to save, just in case. So let me save this, and I'm going to save this as 10/16/19, and let's just put today on that, and choose Save. All right, so I have my image, I have my text, and I want to add a little animation to this. So let's zoom in just a little bit.